General analytical process. Chemical analysis consists of identification and estimation of substances. Chemical analysis consists of identification and estimation of substances. The identification of our substances is called quality or qualitative analysis. Means here we are identifying the number of components present in the given compound or a given mixture. We are finding the quality of the compound and it is termed as qualitative analysis. And when we are finding out the quantity or we are doing the estimation, it is known as quantitative analysis. So we can say that chemical analysis is an identification and estimation of a substance. The identification is also known as qualitative analysis and estimation is known as quantitative analysis. In the selection of a method for the estimation of a substance, it is necessary to know what the substance is made up of. There are 5 important steps in qualitative analysis. First, step representative sample of material under study has to be obtained. First step is representative sample of material under study has to be obtained. This presents no problem when the material is homogeneous. Homogeneous means the particle size is similar. There is no smaller and bigger particles. All the material which is used as a sample must have same size. It is known as homogeneous. If the material is heterogeneous means the size of the compound or a sample is smaller, bigger or mixed type of behavior is there. It is termed as heterogeneous. Getting a representative sample may involve one or more different procedures such as size reduction, quartering and bulk sampling. If the compound is heterogeneous, we have to use various procedures to make it homogeneous. That procedures are size reduction, quartering and bulk sampling. The second step involves the choice of the method. It involves the choice of the method. You have to choose the method of doing practical, which depends upon the purpose of analysis. The method used is a particular case depends upon the nature of substance, the degree of accuracy needed and the cost of analysis. First you have to decide the sample. Then second one you have to find out whether the compound is homogeneous or heterogeneous. If it is homogeneous then there is no problem, but heterogeneous you have to make 3 parts, that is size reduction, quartering and bulk sampling. In the second step you have to think about the purpose procedure. Then you have to think about the degree of accuracy with the cost of analysis. In the second part you have to think about the cost of analysis. Third part is most important. Third part is most important step involve separation of the desired constituents. Involve separation of the desired constituents from interfering substances. These constituents separated should be permitted for measurements directly. Separation involves physical or chemical process such as distillation, precipitation, solvent extraction, chromatography. This way, third thing you have to involve separation. If some interfering radicals are there or interfering substances are there, they may go for a wrong procedure or they will give an error in your procedure. So you have to find out the interfering substances, you have to separate it by distillation, precipitation, solvent extraction and chromatography. The fourth step involves the actual measurement of the desired constituents, by the method selected in the second step. It may be done by methods such as polarography, spectrophotometry, potentiometry, etc. In the first one you have to find out you have to decide the sample. In second one you have to find out the method and cost of analysis. Third step is very important. Find out the interfering substances removed by separation methods. Separation methods are distillation, precipitation, solvent extraction, chromatography, etc. And the fourth step, you have to measure whatever you had desired, means what you desired, the actual measurement of the desired constituents by the selected method in the second step. It may be done by polarography, spectrophotometry, potentiometry, colorimetry, electrophoresis, polarimeter, pH meter, conductometry, UV, and so on. The fifth and the final step involves a proper interpretation of the data obtained in the fourth step. The fifth one is last. That is, final step involves the proper interpretation. Whatever results you have to find out the you find the data, you find the readings. From that data you must interpret the best results whatever we are finding. Thank you.